In this study, we are scoring videos of female swordtail fish from different treatments and tank densities. We would like to see if there is a statistically significant effect on anxiety based on the tank density that female swordtails were reared in. To do this, we employed the scototaxis assay provided by Dr. Molly E. Cummings and Yasmin Shirali from the Department of Integrative Biology at the University of Texas. The scototaxis assay allows us to observe anxiety behavioral responses through stark coloration of a model tank. In the field of behavioral neuroscience, scototaxis has been found to be a reliable marker for anxiety, as species such as goldfish, zebrafish, tilapias, and guppies show a distinct preference for the dark side of the tank. Fish that habituate for longer periods of time on the light side of the tank are then thought to exhibit anti-anxiety behavior. This model has been adapted by others in rodent species. The basis of its validity as a proxy for anxiety behavior is rooted in the nature-averse quality of light areas in a new environment to species that want to avoid predation. Interestingly, this assay can be employed to test the pharmacological efficacy of anxiolytics, which are just medications that modulate anxiety. Our use of this video set affords several advantages to our research objective. First, anxiety can be a difficult behavioral quality to measure, but with this assay, we can quantify it using time spent in each of the 4 regions by mapping these regions to keyboard shortcuts. In order to standardize this process, we decided that female swordtails who straddle the line between 2 starkly colored regions were assessed based on which region predominantly captured their head. In our sample size, we observed distinctly independent behavioral manifestations of anxious and anti-anxious behavior. Amelia, for example, was one female swordtail who displayed tempered anti-anxiety behavior by straddling between the dark edge and light edge of the tank. She spent most of her time observing this area, but also swiftly explored the center light region. While Carla, another female swordtail in our sample, primarily explored the dark edge region of the tank, indicating more anxious behavior. Many of our female swordtail subjects showed an intermediate behavioral response with respect to time spent in regions of the scototaxis assay. Blossom is a good example for this demonstration. We will now move on to our methods section to briefly review the procedure of this study.